Hey, what's up guys? Eric here, EM Motors. Wanted to do a walk around video of this sweet new Ram Promaster. It's on the it's a 2022 on the 3500 chassis. It's the 159-inch wheelbase, so it's not the shortest but not the longest one. It's kind of the perfect size in my opinion on the Promaster chassis anyway. But yeah, brand new. Keep in mind when you're shopping around, the 22 and newer chassis have all the new updates, electronics, so super important to a lot of people. Upgraded method wheels with the Falcon Wild Peak all-terrain tires. Upgraded running boards, help you get in and out, which are nice. Has Flatline Van Company standard roof rack, which is cool. Let's see here. There's your water fill, so you know, lockable water fill on the exterior. Cool aftermarket windows I'll show you here in a second. Factory tow hitch. So if you want to tow your setup, you got a 30 amp shore power plug. You have 400 amp hours of solar up top, which integrates awesome on Flatline stuff, as you guys may know. This is cool, remote start, and then also on each door you have these little sensors that sense when you have the key in your pocket, so you don't necessarily have to you know, hit the button on the remote. But yeah, updated chassis in 22, factory swivels, which are really nice. Real nice comfort seats. I'm used to Sprinters, and so it's kind of interesting and cool to see the different seats than Mercedes, but the nicer upgraded electronics and dash, all digital there. Electric e-brake. Love that secondary mirror. Has the bigger backup camera in the main screen here. All the lane departure and safety equipment from Ram is pretty cool. Overhead shelf. Gives you some nice storage for shades and things like that. But anyway, so yeah, 2022, brand new. I think it has 200 miles or so at the most. Complete build by a gentleman here locally. Excellent. I see a lot of vans, and you know, you can quickly tell who has attention to detail and who doesn't when it's not a huge professional builder that's been building for a while. So it's refreshing to see a van that's well built, and so we decided to offer it to you guys for sale as a consignment, and so yeah, check it out. So the electrical system, like I mentioned, it has 400 watts of solar, and he did the electrical system correctly, or as far as sizing it properly, in my opinion, on a nice build. It is the Renogy setup with some Victron components, but mostly Renogy. The solar panels are Rich Solar, 3,000 watt inverter charger from Renogy there, 400 amp hours of lithium from Renogy. Nice clear, well done ventilation, kind of showing off the electrical here. Got your Lynx distributor from Victron, and then solar controller and alternator charging and isolating for your batteries, so you're able to get charging from your solar panels, from the alternator, or from shore power. So having lots of options is super important. Garage lights that are dimmable. Love the little attention to detail, like on these switches. Touch and hold for dimming if you want to. Probably not in the garage, but mainly your ceiling lights are super nice to dim those. Check out these windows here from Van Windows Direct. So super cool windows that open in the rear. Nice little cubby. Water closet on this side. Quick release hose with a mixer valve. Has the Bosch water heater. Nice and easy way to drain your fresh water tank here. A little access cubby or port. Some nice lighting under the bed here. Slatted so your mattress can breathe. Like I said, it's brand new, so it hasn't been used. So it has a plastic over it. I'll go inside and show you. Fan, important to move some air around. And then you have a max fan up front, which I'll show you. It has a cover over it right now. Some nice reading lights. And then, yeah, your little cubby for your feet and your head for sleeping sideways. Love those windows, though. Those are cool rear ventable windows, and they kind of allow you to see around the outside of those too, which is interesting. But yeah, C.R. Lawrence T-vent window here on the slider. Webasto gas heater here tied into the fuel tank. Awesome integration there to your step platform, and it doesn't really take away any entrance room. Nice underlighting there, so you can have that on at night if you want to, which is what we do. We like to run our auxiliary lights, you know, at night. The garage lights are on, but it's just, you can dim those too from the control panel, but super nice at night. A lot easier on the eyes, you know, when you're in the van. But check this out here. So nicely done cabinets. Painted. I forgot what kind of paint he used, but it's I forgot the name of it because we don't paint cabinets, but it's very durable and holds up really well commercially. And then some gray tank and your trash can here, so super easy to drain your grays, not have anything hanging underneath the van because it's already pretty low. And then it does have your fresh water tank. Forgot the size. I think it's 25 or 30 gallons, but it'll be in the should be on the website in the description somewhere, so look for that for the specifics. But like I said, storage under here, Bosch water tank, or water heater I should say, is here. Some USB and USB-C plugs, kind of where you need them. Beautiful 110 outlet here with your GFCI, double induction cooktop, so that's important for cooking when you're kind of living out of the van. Nice big sink with your cutting board, nice faucet there. Nice big one for some larger items. Dometic fridge here, a little freezer. Awesome way to integrate your your little dinette system here, or being able to work from your laptop. Let's see here. Toilet storage. Max air fan. Oh, I mentioned that. That's kind of covered up, but your Max air fan deluxe with a remote, the 7500. They have auto mode, 10-speed intake and exhaust. But yeah, look at this is kind of a big, you know, look at the transition pieces. Most people, it's just so hard to integrate and finish off the van properly and above the doors. But very, very well done. You know, even in the cabinets, they're nice and finished. Lots of storage everywhere. Another outlet if you're running CPAPs and your phone USBs can be plugged in there. Yeah, Webasto for your air heater, water tank level, Victron. This is their battery monitor, so you can kind of see what's going on. It's Bluetooth into from the Victron Energy app. You can see, hey, right now we're pulling 1.6 amps out of the batteries, or 42 watts. Your voltage. Percentage is what I kind of look at the most of the time. But you can access the Victron information from your phone from the app, turning your inverter on and off, and then the 110 breaker for your water heater. The Bosch water heater is 110, so you flip that on when you want to heat your water up. And then, yeah, your water level on off for the Hugs lighting, and then you have some under lighting here too. So super nice. Let me shut off the... So yeah, at night, it's not even that dark outside, but just with some under cab lighting, it's just real soft and easy on the eyes. So super cool. Or if you want it super bright, got tons of light in here. Tons of working light when you're cooking, chopping up veggies and things like that. And then at night, it'd be interesting. We've never done under cab lights, so, or under toe kick lights, so those might be able to be on at night without bothering you too much potentially. So anyway, just wanted to do a quick video. Probably not so quick. Ooh, I forgot the kind of integrated what is that? Wireless charging from them. So that's pretty cool. But yeah, I just wanted to do a video on it. It is for sale. It's brand new, excellently built, has all your factory warranties. Again, some of the more specific details that I don't mention, feel free to reach out. You can call us or shoot it in the comments, but it will be in the description, so check that out there on our website. So our website's emmotorsboise.com, or give us a call, 208-853-2886, and check us out. Yeah, this is a great build, really well done. Love the colors myself. Let me know what your thoughts are on the colors that he chose. Of course, if you have any issues, we'll take care of you. We have our build shop here, or this gentleman, you have full access to him as well here locally. So, but we back everything we sell out of our dealership, even if it's not ours, because ultimately it's the best money spent taking care of the customer. Best advertising money. I'll give you another look again here. One thing is, this is not as high as we put our beds so you'll have to measure if you want to store your bikes under the bed in a fork mount like we do. It's a little bit lower than normal, but at the same time you have a lot more space up top here, so keep that in mind. Obviously it's super easy to just mount bikes in your hitch rack. But yeah, let me know what your thoughts are. Beautifully done Promaster. I'm curious to know, would you guys want us to do you know, a build with those type of materials in one of our Sprinter vans through Launch Vans? I really like the coloring that he used. I'm not a huge fan of necessarily like all white like sometimes you see, and so let me know if we should do a build like that in one of our vans. Maybe I'll have this gentleman do it. But yeah, thanks for watching. Sorry it's been a little bit longer than normal. Reach out with any questions, comment below. I try to get back to you as quick as I can, but sometimes I don't see your comments. But feel free to reach out on our phone or our website, emmotorsboise.com, or 208-853-2886, guys. All right, take care. Thanks for watching.